Chakri today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. The Gambia's very known dessert. It's made out of couscous. I've got some couscous here and I've got butter going in that and a tiny bit of nutmeg for taste. And then I've got boiling hot water here which I'm going to add all over the couscous until it's covered. Then I will put the lid on and leave that to cook. Okay, let's put that aside. And then in this bowl here we've got our cream ingredients for our couscous. I've got plain cottage cheese going in the bowl. And I have got extra thick double cream, which I will put all of it. And then I'm not over yet. I'm going to put some Greek yogurt. I have put about exactly the same amount as the double cream. And then the single cream coming in now. Oops. So I'll pour some over. I have poured half of that in over there. Then I'm going to mix all these together. And then I'll add 1/4 cup coconut powder, 1/2 cup sugar, and I'll put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract gives this cream a very nice taste. Then we set that aside and check on our couscous. Lovely. Couscous, as you can see, has all absorbed in the water and it looks ready almost. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to stir this and then I'll put it in the microwave for another couple of minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes in the microwave, the couscous is finally ready now. As you can see, it's all nicely cooked. We've got raisin and pineapple for our couscous chakri, and also you can use any fruit of your choice. This dessert can go with any fruit. You can throw nuts in there, apricot, any fruit, dry fruits, fresh fruits, you can chop anything in there. It's a very nice dessert. You watch it. So I'm going to put 2 in here and show you. Right. And I'm going to top it up with some raisins. One will be raisins and the other one will be pineapples. If you prefer to not put any fruit in as well, it's fine. You can just add the cream in. You don't have to add any fruits. Okay, sorry about that. Right, now just add the cream in. Lovely. See, you can still chuck a bit of that on the top. of cream, bit of couscous, and that one, and top it up with our fruits. Let me tell you one thing, guys. This dessert is one of the favorite desserts in Gambian programs. Wherever party you go to in a Gambian house, you will have this dessert. When they make food for you, they must give you this for the dessert. This is in our parties, our christenings, our weddings. We will make this dessert, and it's very nice as well. So just try and make it, and then tell me on the comment section below how it tastes after making it, if you use the same recipe that I use here. If you enjoy watching this video, please put your thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe, please, so that you don't miss out on any content by clicking the notification bell right over somewhere, and then you will see whatever we do. Okay, in the meantime, we're gonna be enjoying our dessert. Right, let's do the quality tasting. I normally go for a bit of both, so as you can see, I have added a little pineapple there on the side of the raisins. Okay, right, let me see. Oh my god, you cannot resist. That is so nice. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna eat it now.